Ramadan is here. How many opportunities have we seized? It's staring us in the face. Fajr, Dhuhr, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. At least in Ramadan, let us fill the masajid. At least in Ramadan, let us perform our Taraweeh Salah. At least in Ramadan, let us open the Quran. Awwaluhu Rahmah, the Prophet ﷺ said the first 10 days of the month of Ramadan is the Rahmat of Allah. At least in Ramadan, let us gain the Rahmat and the mercy of Allah. Build our family ties. A person who severs family ties does not receive the Rahmat of Allah. Call that brother of yours that you haven't been talking to for so many years. Call that sister of yours whose heirs you have usurped. Give it back to her what she needs. And this is happening in our communities, in our societies. Maulana, her husband is very rich. I don't have to give her anything. Whatever my father had left for me, everything is mine. So what's wrong if her husband is rich? Good for her. But the assets that your father has left behind belongs to her also. By you consuming those assets, you are doing haram. Even your fast won't be accepted. In Ramadan, this is happening.